Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Rogue Hog, and okay, the Spider-Man in this particular card is Miles Morales. So he is the Spider-Man of the Ultimate Universe. So after Peter dies, he takes over the mantle. I mean, I really loved the Ultimate Spider-Man run, but I really hated that ending because I don't want to spoil anything. I just go out and read it. So a lot of things happened after that, I guess. So, but honestly, after that particular incident happened, you know I was, to be honest, heartbroken, and then at some point I just stopped reading it. I know I finished that entire original series, and then I don't know whether something came after that, but I didn't even bother to check about it. But honestly, the artwork on this entire Ultimate series, I'm talking about the comic book, not the um, animated series they released somewhere around, I think, 2016, around that time. But that is a good watch for kids. I mean, Spider-Man breaks fourth wall a lot in that one, but they actually covered a lot of story arcs in that one, like Clone Wars, a lot of things in that one as well. I'm not really big fan of that particular series, but it is actually a fun watch, to be honest. It is not 90s animated series or spectacular Spider-Man range. I mean, nothing comes closer to those two series so far. Even the Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man series, that actually looks good. But I love to watch that series, but it's not my cup of tea like the 90s series and the spectacular series. Those two are like, I mean, if there is a crown, those two are the diamonds in the center. Like like two halves of the diamonds. Those two are the two of the half of the diamonds. Nothing else, and I stand by that. Okay, so here is the card art. Card art looks again really gorgeous. Okay, I bought this for 299. Once again, I'm saying that. So let's talk about the casting here. Man, they are going really good. They're doing really well with this castings actually. So even though these are fantasies, the detailing on this one looks, I mean, it looks really beautiful. I may not be a Miles Morales fan, but whoever is a Miles Morales fan, I mean, you guys are going to love this one. So it has headlight detailing here. The grill details are there. Let me. Okay. So the only negative thing about this casting as of now is the body is fully plastic and the chassis is fully metal. That is the only. That's the one thing which I can say for now. Let me see if something is openable or something like that. I don't think so. Okay, but the red color on this one looks really beautiful, and the spider logo here, that looks really nice. I'm really wishing they put some kind of like uh, slot here. You can put your light and shine through so that the spider logo can shine. That would have looked really awesome. They missed that chance because you can literally see the inside here, the interior of this casting from this spider logo may not be clear, but if there is a light and you are shining through it, the light is going to shine through really well. They missed that particular opportunity here, but the webbing on this roof and everything, this looks really beautiful. So again, one more thing, guys, if you are a fan of Batman, there is a Batman series also which came out on the Silver Line series. So I literally saw that entire series, and I even bought one for one of my group members because he is a fan of Batman, so I bought it for him. Okay, it actually changes the color a little bit. Oh, that is actually really nice. I do love this artwork here. That is really really good. The rims are really nice. Okay, the stance is also really nice. Okay, 34 grams, not bad. Okay, I'm hoping that this would roll really well. Yeah, it did. Okay, this one rolls really well. Even though it has wheel wobble on front wheel, I mean the front wheel wobbles a lot, to be honest, but still it does its job really well. Okay, let's rate this casting. Honestly, on the coolness factor, it is 10 out of 10. There is no denying that. So on the detailing part, again, this is a fantasy casting, so I'm not sure whether it's supposed to, but it does have some kind of detailing here for the tail lights and all, but nothing is painted on. So see, I'm going to take out 1 out of 10 on this casting side, because I really wish they did a full metal, I mean, at least a metal body and plastic chassis, or a full metal casting for this price with this level of detailing. And even though with all this cool graphics here, they missed the chance to put a small slot here to shine the light through it. So for that reason, I'm taking 1 point out of 10. So overall, I would say 9.5 out of 10 for this casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.